Okay, okay, quit pestering me. If you guys sit there and be quiet, I'll let you watch me. Oh, where's my cutter? We might as well do this right here, right now. Man, it almost just wanted to pop back in shape by itself. This is going to work good. But what caused that, people, is when I was trimming this skin in the mold, it just lifted off. It was just, not stuck very well. It was, this is the only piece that didn't stick in the fuselage. But it was, and then when I put it up here, it was just kind of hanging loose. And I put some double-faced tape on it to try to hold it to the side, and it just didn't work. And when it set up, it just left a nasty old seam. But just doing that, just kind of relieving it, almost popped right back in place. I'm gonna cut along the bottom a little bit here too. It's kind of not right there either. That ain't gonna be hard at all. Okay. Now, let me get this out of the way. Now I gotta smooth up that edge. I just love that, my cord, people. I just love that thing hanging from the ceiling. Harbor Freight. That wasn't very much either. Always got that extension cord right there. That and my air chuck. Okay, see now, it's just kind of got a rough edge. I want that tape to stick real good. So I'm going to take my dot tool. I don't really want to grind into everything and take it way down. I just want to knock off that rough edge. So just real slow. Just like so. You know what? You know what I think might work better? I used to do tile work on cruise ships. And I was on a ship in dry dock doing repairs on it, and they was doing repairs on the hull. This is how they would do it. They would weld that right there and bring their new steel up to it. I think that might work better than my double-faced tape. I can just go along in a couple spots tack glue some wood on there. Okay, hold tight. Let me get a scrap of wood. I'm going to have to cut some strips out of this. Just talk amongst yourselves for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, now let me hit him with this sander. Well, that's where I need the helmet cam instead of a tripod. Okay, now I got me a couple sticks cut. Sanded them nice and straight. Man, that's going to work perfect. Okay. I don't want to put a bunch of glue on this. I don't want to put a bunch of glue on them sticks. But hey, we got body work to do there anyway. A little CA. There we go. I'm just going to have to hold that for a minute. We see how that works out. It brings that up just perfect to itself. And then I'll go on the other side and I'll sand that with that dot coat. I'll take another piece of this fiberglass tape. See, you just put that on the inside and paint some resin on it. And bam, presto, that seam is fixed. Let me get some kicker in this. Oh, can't find my refill bottle. But basically that's what I'm going to do. And presto changeo. See, I'll put a new piece of tape on that piece and fixed up. And then when this sets up, see that piece? Now I'll trim that nice and round and trim that out, you know, in a circle. Then once it sets up, sand it, fill it. Fixed. Didn't take but a minute. You guys seen it. Now's the time to fix it, and you'll save yourself a lot of grief in the long run, because filler will never stay there. If that fiberglass is moving, got to flex, seam anywhere, it won't stay. But I'm trucking right along, and that's the plan, people. I'm going to keep trucking, and we're going to go over Dad's, and I'm going to show you his airplane. This is something to do this afternoon. I got to go over there anyway. And you guys are going to like it. He's trucking right along. But till then, guys, we'll see you at Dad's shop.